Welcome back to our YouTube Studio tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to find your video impressions on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, click on the YouTube Studio icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Click on Content. In the YouTube Studio dashboard, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Select Content from the options. Step 3. Select a video. You'll see a list of your uploaded videos. Choose the video for which you want to view the impressions. Step 4. Click on Details. Once you've selected the desired video, click on the Details tab located at the top of the page. Step 5. Select Analytics. Within the Details section, you'll find a submenu. Click on Analytics to access your video's performance data. Step 6. Click Reach. In the Analytics tab, you'll see various metrics. To find your video impressions, click on the Reach option. And there you have it. You've successfully found your video impressions on YouTube using your PC. Remember, understanding your video impressions can help you gauge the reach and engagement of your content. Stay tuned for more YouTube Studio tutorials.